Crypto news keeps getting better and better and better. Guys, I truly cannot understand why you are afraid. You know what? Maybe you're not afraid. You're here, you're checking the news, you're making sure you're accumulating, you're investing in the cryptocurrency space during this very stale and stagnant time. But everybody else, they are afraid. Check this out, man. The fear to greed index, 32 fear, 31 fear, 23 extreme fear. Come out here to CoinMarketCap, 37 fear. Everybody's running scared. Except for you, and except, well, some very prominent members of the world. We're going to be talking about DT's plan because he is launching a crypto business on Monday. Be prepared for it. We'll talk about that. We're going to talk about Pepe Unchained, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we got Pepe Unchained on the screen right now, and if at any time during this video you find yourself interested in buying, make sure you use that link down in the description or the pinned comment. It's going to pull up this website. It is safe, it is secure, it is easy to click Connect Wallet. I like to use Wallet Connect and scan this QR code with my wallet on my phone, but you guys can connect however you want. From there, you simply determine how much you want to buy. So if you want to grab 5 Ethereum worth, you're going to be walking away with 1,215,965 Pepe Unchained. But let's talk about why you might want to load up, because we have got nothing. Guys, it is nothing but good news after good news after good news out there. And we've got presidential candidates right now building cryptocurrency platforms. Now, if you don't think that that's a sign that the cryptocurrency space is here to stay, I don't know what is. Institutions are loading up and accumulating. Whales are loading up and accumulating. Businesses are loading up and accumulating. Presidential candidates are loading up and accumulating. Guys, now is the time to ignore the fearful emotion. Now is the time to not care that everybody else has left the space. Now is the time to do as those whales do and accumulate. Now, I'm going to briefly go through this, right? Trump to launch World Liberty Financial crypto platform on September 16th. So let's talk briefly about what this is. DT's crypto project, World Liberty Financial, will launch on September 16th, the former president and 2024 presidential nominee announced. In a September 12th video posted on X, T-Man said that he would go live on the platform to launch the project, which will be controlled by his sons. We're embracing the future with crypto and leaving the slow and outdated big banks behind. It's about time. And you know what? I see a lot of pushback from some, well, let's just be nice, not smart people on the other side of the political fence. And what's their main, I guess, subject matter? That crypto it's not safe, it's hackable, it's, well, not controlled by them. Guys, I don't know if you understand the level of control that they have over the fiat system, but it's sickening. If they want to turn your money off, they'll turn your money off. But they can't do it with DeFi. They can't do it with cryptocurrency. And that scares them because they can't control it. Now, they're trying to regulate it. And that's going to be very important for its use cases here in the United States and across the globe. But T-Man gets it. And they are building a position, they are building a platform that is going to allow people, and you guys can read more about World Liberty Financial, but it's vaguely positioning itself as a decentralized finance platform for borrowing and lending cryptocurrency. A white paper reported the project will allow users to store money in digital wallets, offer credit account system, borrow and lend cash to others, and use tokens to invest in assets like crypto. Awesome. Now, once this platform is built out, once people begin to use it, once the world sees that cryptocurrency is, well, good, they're going to be just flocking back in. The FOMO rally is going to set in, and this blue line is going to soar. And when this blue line soars, guys, meme coins are going to rip higher because, well, retail investors love memes. And Pepe Unchained is positioning itself as one of the top meme coins in the entire world, building a layer 2 blockchain completely dedicated to the future of memes. It's a layer 2 blockchain dedicated to speed, security, low fees, and of course, memes. Now that's the most important part, because these guys that are buying in understand that when retail investors are no longer afraid, and when retail investors spike their interest back up, they're going to be flocking to what can gain them the most money. Bitcoin, sure, it's going to go up slowly, steadily, but meme coins are going to have that exponential rip where you see 10, 20, 30x gains in a matter of days or weeks at the peak of that bull market. I am very excited about Pepe Unchained. I'm very excited about the future of cryptocurrency. I continue to accumulate. I just want to know down in the comments below if you guys are continuing to accumulate as well. Let me know, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.